I'm excited to see you.
I'm excited to see you.
I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
It's so hot today.
It's so hot today.
I need to rest.
I need to rest.
I'm glad you came.
I'm glad you came.
I can help you.
I can help you.
Let's have fun together.
Let's have fun together.
I don't like this song.
I don't like this song.
It's your choice.
It's your choice.
That sounds nice.
That sounds nice.
I feel good today.
I feel good today.
Let's talk soon.
Let's talk soon.
I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
I'm really busy right now.
I'm really busy right now.
Don't be sad.
Don't be sad.
I'm learning something new.
I'm learning something new.
I can do it.
I can do it.
It's not too far.
It's not too far.
This is amazing.
This is amazing.
I'm thinking of you.
I'm thinking of you.
I can't wait for that.
I can't wait for that.
I'm waiting for you.
I'm waiting for you.
That's a great idea.
That's a great idea.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
You are doing well.
You are doing well.
It's time for bed.
It's time for bed.
I'll bring it to you.
I'll bring it to you.
I'm feeling nervous.
I'm feeling nervous.
I'll stay here.
I'll stay here.
Let's meet soon.
Let's meet soon.
I'm going to try it.
I'm going to try it.
You can do it.
You can do it.
It's a good day.
It's a good day.
I need your help.
I need your help.
It's almost done.
It's almost done.
We are proud of you.
We are proud of you.
Let's work together.
Let's work together.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
I need some time.
I need some time.
I'll be there in a minute.
I'll be there in a minute.
Let's go to the zoo.
Let's go to the zoo.
I'll help you with that.
I'll help you with that.
Can we talk later?
Can we talk later?
I'm feeling tired.
I'm feeling tired.
I don't understand it.
I don't understand it.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
I'll do my best.
I'll do my best.
I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it.
I feel sick today.
I feel sick today.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
I don't think it's working.
I don't think it's working.
I need your support.
I need your support.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Let's meet tomorrow.
I'm really sorry.
I'm really sorry.
I can't do that.
I can't do that.
It's not too hard.
It's not too hard.
I'm here if you need me.
I'm here if you need me.
I've got a question.
I've got a question.
Let me explain.
Let me explain.
That's very kind of you.
That's very kind of you.
I'm learning every day.
I'm learning every day.